For those of you flying on flight 367 with service to Seattle, I'd like for you to take a moment to look at your boarding pass. On the right-hand side of your boarding pass is your seat assignment. We do dual board this aircraft, so we will be using the front and the back of the doors of the plane to board. If you are seated in rows 1 through 19, you will be using the jetway to board. If you are seated in rows 20 to 35, you will be using the stairs to board down to the rear of the aircraft. If you cannot use the stairs and you are seated in rows 20 to 35, we do please ask that you pre-board when asked to pre-board. Once again, look at your boarding pass. If you're seated in rows 1 through 19, you will be boarding through the jetway. If you are seated in rows 20 to 35, you will be using the stairs to the rear of the aircraft. Thank you.